Hey guys, today on Jesse Does It, we're going to be installing a roll cage on the Bronco. I got a couple buddies over to help me lift the cap off the truck. I've never done that before, have no clue how heavy it is, so we'll see how that goes. I got a ProtoFab roll cage that I'm going to have to weld up, install. Hopefully that goes smoothly. The pipes look awesome, ready to go on that. So let's get this cap off and see how it goes. Stay tuned.
I found out the other day I may not be at 216. I might only be at well, it's get better with stabilizing. Yeah, I'm just saying that, hold it right there. Throw my hand. Oh, straight down. No padding, no wood. You don't have wood? You got it? Yeah. Woo. Yeah, well, I was like, I think once, you know, me grabbing it from here wouldn't have been bad, but when it was there,
That wasn't that bad with some help. Do that again.
That's rust.
That is rust, yeah.
Yeah, and you used to send me shit like that all the time, saying that's not rust.
No, this is rust. This is not rust. This is just stuff. Just because it's brown don't mean it's rust.
Yes, it is.
Nope.
Exactly what it is. It's brown rust.
This would be much easier with two people. All right, so we've got kind of the four legs ratchet strapped up in there. Just kind of going by the seat of my pants here and doing what looks right. I'm gonna take some measurements, tack it in some more, and then put the other braces in and get some good solid beads on it, and then remove it from the truck, fully weld it, and see how it fits. Getting there. All right, so we've got it all tacked in place. Let me tell you guys something. ProtoFab, Dustin over there, has been really helpful. I had a few questions. He responded instantly with giving me some answers. I'm pretty much at a standstill until my buddies come back to help me put the top back on and test fit, but here we are right now. We've got it tacked up, no more ratchet straps holding it in place. Basically, my question is, how far away from the roof does the B-pillar need to be? Because it does, as you see, it sticks up higher in that one spot. So I want to test fit the top on here to make sure it clears, and then I can go ahead and start welding some stronger tack welds, and then remove the whole thing, fully weld it, paint it, reinstall it, and then bolt it down to the ground. But yeah, I mean, this has only been less than an hour and here we are. He marked everything for me as far as like where the pipes go. That was simple. By myself, I just needed some ratchet straps to kind of hold it in place. I did put a level on it, make sure that everything's mostly level. Looking good. Going easy so far. Probably just jinxed myself, but I'm really happy with everything so far. This is awesome. So just waiting on my buddy to get here and we'll put the top back on. Hopefully it all fits perfectly and go on to the next step. While I've got the cap off and I'm waiting on my buddies to come help me, I'm gonna go ahead and just take care of this rust right here. Another little spot. I'll just scuff up the rust and paint it. I'm gonna assume this is the first time this top has ever been off. Not the worst shape, but not the best shape either. The other side's pretty good actually. So take a chance here to clean it all up and make it better for when I put the top back on. It ain't perfect, but it doesn't have to be because it's going to be hiding under the cap, and it's a beater truck that's meant for off-road, so yeah.
Can you set it on the side?
No.
Oh, you can't?
I can set one side.
Alright, well I got it here. You get up in there and then you can lift it back up.
Hurry up. Much easier with 3 people. So that
Come on, man.
Yeah, but how bad did I jump?
Didn't you? That's good.
I jumped inside. Today's video brought to you by Metalize. If you need something painted, Metalize it. All right, so we got the ProtoFab rack installed. Really making me want to buy a soft topper for this thing now and leave the top off, but I don't have anywhere to store the hard top. Looks cool. So next we're going to put the top on, and then I will bolt it all down to the floor, put the carpet and seats back, and all the trim and all that good stuff, and be done. Not too bad for a one-day project. All right, we're back, day 2. So yesterday we left off, we put the roll cage in. It's just sitting in place now, put the cap back on. All that's really left is to bolt the cap up and bolt the legs of the roll cage down. So not much to film there, just pretty easy stuff there. Big thanks to ProtoFab and Dustin over there, helping me out with all the questions I had. And the roll cage fits perfectly, looks beautiful, have no complaints whatsoever. Also thanks to my buddies to come help me out, because without them I wouldn't have gotten this job done. So you definitely need a friend or two to help you get this cap off and on. If you guys like what you see in my videos, hit that like and subscribe button. Go ahead and leave a comment too while you're at it. I love those, respond to everyone that I can. As always, I appreciate you, and until the next project, I am Jesse with Jesse Does It. Thanks guys.